Sounds like the compressor just slapping against something. That's concerning. This little strip is super hot. So, something definitely wrong with this. Now it's quiet.